Hello friends, good morning to everyone. This is Prakash and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video friends, I am going to tell you 4 habits which can make you fluent. So before begin the video, I would like to tell you that if you are new here on my YouTube channel, then please do feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So what are those 4 habits which can make you fluent in English? First is that listening and watching English related contents video, real English conversation. And second is that recording the video. You can record your video, and while recording the video you have to use only in English, and before recording the video you have to pick out small topic, and on that particular topic you will make a video. After that you will figure out your mistake, whatever mistake you did, and in this way you will improve your spoken English and you will rectify your mistake. And third is that self talk. Whenever you are stepping out from your home, just you have to think in English and you have to speak in English. You will use plethora of application whatever available on Play Store, so you have to use any kinds of application through which you can improve your English. And also you will talk by using your mobile phone, self talk. Okay, you are a good partner of yourself, so why not you should implement this technique. If you will practice by yourself, then definitely it would be beneficial for you and you will improve your spoken English. And fourth point is that conversation. If you will conversation each and every single day drastically, meticulously, then your spoken English will be skyrocket. So if you will inculcate these 4 habits, then you will see the result of your spoken English. So use these 4 habits, my dear friends, 4 technique. Definitely your English will be improved. Thank you.